Macie Grace, are you ready to wake up and start this day? You're just so sleepy this morning. You want to go outside and see the snow? You've never seen snow before. You might like it. Are you ready to start this day? You still very sleepy? Little puppy nose. Look at that little puppy nose. Macie. Macie. Are you hungry? Maybe a little hungry? What do you say? You want to start this day? Oh, she's so tired. The snow has arrived on the scene. What do you think about that cold stuff? It's not snowing too hard. A few little flakes. But this is her very first time experiencing snow. She seems to be a little enthralled with it. Macie, what do you think, honey? Come back over here. Can you come over here? Good girl. It's cold. It's cold. Yes, it's cold stuff, huh? So, what is that? What is all of that? Never seen that before, have you, baby? Oh, it's very cold. Very cold. What do you think? Oh, let's don't get tied up behind there. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. Come here. Macie Grace, you want to solve a puzzle? There you are. Do you want to solve one of your puzzles, babe? All right. Mommy's going to put a puzzle down for you to solve. Are you kind of excited? Kind of excited? You want to come solve your puzzle? Come on. Oh, you can do it. You are super smart. You've got this, girlfriend. Yes, ma'am. This is one of the puzzles that Santa Claus brought her, and it has 2 ways to turn the blocks, and she's worked her way up now to where she's only got 2 of them that go in there in the easy direction. Good job, Macie. Good girl. And she loves it, and I love for her to play with it because it gives her the mental stimulation that she needs. And she's just about figured out that she can pick the white things up with her teeth if she has to. She's still using her nose a lot and nudging the puzzle with her nose. And it cracks me up that she doesn't use her feet to do it yet, because she uses her feet all the time for other things like playing with her toys and moving her toys around. But so far, she's not using her feet with her puzzle, just her nose. So it's been fun to watch her progress. And the piece in the middle is the hardest piece for her to get out, and she's even mastered that one lately. So she loves Brazil nuts. It's one of her. Oh, she got the middle piece. Good girl. She's currently working on a Brazil nut. This dog loves Brazil nuts like she loves steak. And so in the middle part where she has the hardest time getting that block out, I started hiding a Brazil nut in there for her. And so this is the first time she's figured out how to open that before she finishes up the other ones. So it's kind of fun to watch her figure things out and change things around. Macie, are you getting it? Oh my goodness, you're so smart. Oh. If I can get around it. Oh, she's going to move it around a little bit. Okay. Good girl. Good girl, Macie. You've almost solved that one today. Got one more. Just got one more to go. There it is. Good girl. Good. Oh my goodness, you got it. Okay, leave that. Leave it. Macie, leave it. Good girl. Go get your treat, babe. Good job. Yay, Macie. Amazing. Amazing. Good girl. Good girl. I think you got them all, babe. I think you got them all. Come here. Come here. Macie, can you sit? Can you sit? Look how good you are. How did you get to be so beautiful? I mean, you wake up every day and you're like prettier than the day before. How does that happen? Huh? I love you. You're a good girl. Yes, you're a good girl. You are. I'm glad you had fun.